remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again.
Is your restaurant or bar in dire need of a remodel? Save time and thousands of dollars renewing your tabletops, bar tops, or floor with Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. There's never been a better time to complete your restaurant or bar project. You will learn in this how-to video just how simple it is renewing old worn tabletops in place. Stone Coat Epoxy is customizable. You can incorporate your restaurant or bar theme right into the color of your tabletops or epoxy floor. Our flooring epoxy installs in a snap and is perfect for high traffic areas and is sure to turn heads. Have your employees watch and learn how to use epoxy or take the project on yourself. Our epoxy is VOC free, easy to use, scratch resistant, heat resistant, and certified safe for food contact. In this video, guys, you're going to learn how we take epoxy additives and our Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy and create beautiful functional art. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Okay, question of the day. Now you've seen us pour this with our classic technique with the chop and the trowel. But I want to know, do you guys want to see this with our new technique, the dirty pour? We can match these colors. I don't know, do you guys want to see that on video? Let me know in the comments below. Option A, I love the classic method. Option B, let me see that in dirty pour.
Countertops, you got this.
Great comment.
comment.
Hey, we had a great comment by Kenneth O'Neill. Is it possible to do epoxy on vertical walls? Actually, yes, it is possible. The steps are simple. They're just 3 easy steps. First, you got to thicken the epoxy. And we actually have just the kit for that, the vertical wall kit on our website. Step 2, add your primary metallic color. And lastly, step 3, add your secondary metallic color. Doing this will have your walls looking like Venetian plaster on steroids. Also, another pro tip, if you're lucky enough to do this in panels like our shower wall video, you can do that. Pour your epoxy as normal, and after they're dry, install those panels like normal. Hope this helps, Kenneth. And if you guys have any other great questions, we'd love to answer them on video. Hey, thank you guys again for watching the video. I got a tip for you. If you want to see some of our other recipes, as well as this one, in PDF format, so you can download this and follow along in a real simple, easy manner, click this link right here and it'll take you to our project recipes page. We got all kinds of recipes, and whatever you're into, make sure you find the right one. Thanks again, and from the Stone Coat Countertops team, you got this.
Stone Coat Countertops.